Monroe County is reporting more than 300 new COVID cases today. And as cases surge, a push from local leaders to batten down the hatches. They're asking Monroe County to mask up, get vaccinated, and get boosted.
And of course, the holidays are just days away. Many are going out to shop now as hospitals are strained. Monroe County leaders are pushing residents to follow COVID precautions. Jack Watson spoke with them and joins us live now. Jack?
Well, John, today County Health Director Dr. Michael Mendoza said Omicron is likely already here, and there are measures we can take to slow its spread. Specifically, today's announcement has to do with businesses. In the words of Dr. Michael Mendoza, the holidays, of course, are just around the corner and cases are rising. County leaders want to keep the case totals down so businesses stay open. A week ago today, we learned Monroe County would be among the New York counties adopting the masking mandate from New York State, a decision that was left up to individual counties, telling businesses to ask for vaccination proof or universal masking. Chamber of Commerce CEO Bob Duffy called it today a responsibility on part of local business to keep their customers safe and to avoid a shutdown. I asked County Executive Bello directly whether in a worst case scenario we would see restrictions come back. Here was his answer.
Right now, I don't believe we need more restrictions. That's why we're doing this today. We need to avoid it. We have to avoid it. Okay, what we saw last year, a year ago, the yellow zones, orange zones, red zones, the shutdowns, we can't go through that again. Our businesses have suffered so much over the last year and a half, and they don't need to continue suffering because we know what works. A year and a half ago, we might not have had the science to know what works. We did not have a vaccine. Okay, so now we know what works. We have to do what works. Let's keep them open. Especially, we have to support our small businesses. We also need to support our kids. They have to stay in school. I would not support a school shutdown.
Words from the county executive today. This was hosted at the Wegmans Conference Center, and reporters asked the CEO of Wegmans about masking in Wegmans stores. The CEO, Colleen Wegman, responded by saying most people do wear masks, and they are asking customers who don't do it to do it on their own. Much more on this coming up at the 5 o'clock hour, but for now, on the East End in Rochester, Jack Watson, News 8.
All right, Jack, thank you. The county will distribute the posters to local businesses.